Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can easily add noise textures to your Figma designs. So let's get started. So here you can see I have simple Figma design. Okay, nothing special. All you need to do is just right click on plugins, and you need to go to manage plugins and search for noise and texture. So here you can see it is already showing it for me because I have already installed it, but you need to search for noise and texture. There is a noise plugin as well, but it is only free to a certain extent, then you will have to pay for it. But so that's why I'm using this noise and texture plugin. So once you add it, then you just have to go to again, you will either see this. If you don't see this, then you again have to right click, go to plugins, and here you will see noise and texture. So here inside noise and texture there are different styles, so you can select whatever style makes sense for you. So I'll just use the default style, which is fine for me, and here you can change the color to whatever you feel like is right for you. Then you can change the density as well. So I'll just dismiss this. If you want, you can change the size as well. Okay, you can change the pattern as well. I'll keep it as linear. So here you can see you can do something like this. Again, I'm just playing around with it. You can choose whatever feels right for you. Then you can just change the amount as well. So here you can see I can change the amount, and here inside blend I'll just make it as soft light. Okay, and then just click on add to canvas. Then once you add to canvas, make sure, I'll just dismiss this now. So here you can see typically you need to make sure that this noise and texture is outside your frame. So currently it has added in outside of my frame, but if it is not, make sure it is outside your frame as well. I'm not sure if it is how much clear it is to you, but here you can see it has added a noise texture for me. If I just completely hide it, here you can see you don't see the noise texture. So I'll just add it again. So this is our noise texture. Again, you can play around with it. These here you can go and you can just change this values to whatever you feel like is right for you. You can change the opacity as well if you feel like it. Can make it at 60, somewhat like this. Again, I'll just expand this. So yeah, this is how you can easily add a noise texture. If you want, you can move it to the front as well. So it's completely up to you how you want to display it. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.